The Lamborghini Revuelto 2026 has rapidly become one of the most talked about supercars of its generation, representing a bold step forward in both performance and engineering. As Lamborghini's flagship successor to the Aventador, the Revuelto embraces a high-performance hybrid philosophy, combining a mid-mounted naturally aspirated V12 with 3 electric motors to deliver over 1,000 horsepower, along with astonishing acceleration and top-end speed that underline its supercar credentials. Visually, the Revuelto is unapologetically Lamborghini, sharp, geometric, and dramatic, with a design language dominated by Y-shaped LED signatures, aggressive aero elements, and scissor doors that echo the brand's storied past while looking defiantly futuristic. The bodywork isn't merely for theatrics. Enhanced aerodynamics improved downforce substantially compared to its predecessors, suggesting a car as comfortable on the racetrack as it is on twisty country roads. Underpinning this beast is an all-new carbon fiber monocoque chassis that is significantly lighter and stiffer than before, demonstrating Lamborghini's commitment to cutting-edge materials and structural innovation. This engineering effort doesn't just serve speed, it enhances handling precision and driver engagement, qualities that British supercar enthusiasts, in particular, appreciate when carving through the Cotswolds or testing limits at a track day. Inside, the Revuelto is rumored to embrace a highly modern and immersive cockpit experience, with multiple high-resolution screens and a bespoke interface designed to rival even the most advanced GT cars. While rooted in performance, the cabin's design also prioritizes luxury and user experience, blending advanced digital technology with Italian craftsmanship. Whether parked under RGB lights in a dark luxury studio or roaring past on the open road, the Revuelto seems poised to redefine what a hybrid supercar can be.